Hello, everyone. In our last chapter, we explored management consulting, how professionals solve problems and help companies grow. Today, we're diving into something that protects people and businesses when life throws a curveball: insurance. Insurance is like a safety net. It won't stop bad things from happening, but it helps make things better afterward. If your home is damaged or if someone gets sick, insurance helps cover the costs so you don't have to pay everything yourself. Why do we need insurance? Imagine getting hurt while playing sports or your home getting flooded during the monsoon. These things can cost a lot of money to fix. That's why people and companies pay small amounts regularly, called premiums, so they're protected if something goes wrong. Insurance is like a backup plan. It makes sure that you're not stuck or helpless when life surprises you. Protecting what matters. Insurance helps protect what's important: your family, your home, your car, and even your health. For businesses, it protects workers and buildings. It gives families peace of mind. If something goes wrong, they don't have to worry about money and can focus on getting better or starting over. How insurance helps in real life. Let's look at a few real life examples. If a shop gets robbed and loses its inventory, the owner can use insurance money to buy new stock and reopen. If someone gets into a car accident, insurance helps repair the car and pay for hospital bills. And if someone falls sick suddenly, health insurance covers the cost of treatment. These stories show why insurance is not just useful, it's a lifesaver. Business uses of insurance. Businesses face many risks: fires, lawsuits, accidents, or even theft. That's why they use insurance to protect their offices, workers, and profits. Without insurance, one disaster could shut down an entire business. With insurance, they can bounce back quickly and keep running. What is life insurance? Life insurance helps a family if someone who earns money for them passes away. It gives them money to pay bills, buy food, and continue their lives. Parents often get life insurance so their children can stay in school and have a stable future, even if something bad happens. What is health insurance? If someone gets sick or injured, health insurance helps pay the hospital bills. This means people can get treated without worrying about how much it costs. It also encourages regular checkups, vaccinations, and early care, which helps people stay healthy instead of waiting until things get worse. What is property insurance? Your house is probably one of your family's biggest assets. Property insurance protects it from fire, floods, storms, or even theft. It's not just for homes. It also covers offices, schools, factories, and more. So if something breaks or gets damaged, the insurance helps fix or replace it. Other types of insurance. Did you know there's insurance for almost everything? There's travel insurance for trips, if your flight is canceled or your luggage is lost. Pet insurance helps pay for vet bills if your dog or cat gets sick. And there's even gadget insurance. So if you drop your phone or tablet, you're not stuck paying the full cost to repair or replace it. What is a premium? A premium is the money you pay every month, year, or as agreed with the insurance company. It keeps your coverage active. If you stop paying, you lose your protection. So paying regularly is important, just like you keep recharging your phone to stay connected. What is a claim? If something bad happens, like a car accident or illness, you submit a claim to your insurance company. This means you tell them what happened and ask for help. They'll check your policy, ask for proof, and if everything checks out, they send money to cover the damage or bills. What is risk in insurance? Risk is the chance that something bad might happen. The more risky something G is, the more you might have to pay in premiums. For example, someone who drives fast or has had many accidents is riskier and will pay more for car insurance than someone who drives safely. Who are actuaries? Actuaries are the math experts behind every insurance company. They use data and statistics to help companies decide how much to charge, who's risky, and what to cover. They don't guess. They calculate based on real-world data like accident rates and health trends. How actuaries use math. Actuaries build models that predict how many people might get sick, how many cars might crash, or how much it could cost. They help insurance companies avoid huge losses and keep prices fair for everyone. A real example, predicting car accidents. Imagine you're an actuary. You notice that accidents happen more during rainy months or in certain cities. Using this data, you help set prices. Drivers in risky areas pay more, while safe drivers pay less. This helps companies stay prepared and drivers stay protected. Why rules are important. Insurance is serious. It's about money, promises, and people's lives. So governments make rules to protect customers and companies. Rules make sure companies pay what they owe and customers don't lie or cheat. Who makes the rules? Governments pass laws and create special teams called regulators. These groups check if insurance companies are doing the right thing, like following laws and treating people fairly. Some rules are even shared across countries, so insurance works the same way worldwide. Staying safe and fair. Laws protect your personal info, prevent scams, and make sure insurance is clear and easy to understand. Companies must tell you exactly what's covered and what's not, so there are no surprises later on. Jobs in insurance. Insurance offers tons of jobs. Agents help people choose the best plans. Actuaries work with data. Risk advisors guide companies on safety. If you like talking to people, solving problems, or working with numbers, insurance might be a great fit. Is insurance right for you? Do you enjoy helping others, solving puzzles, learning how things work? Then a career in insurance might be perfect for you. It's about protecting lives, homes, and dreams, and being there when people need help most.